Hello everyone, welcome to this demo of 360 FileSync, your Salesforce and files finally united. 360 FileSync allows you to integrate your Salesforce with the storage solution of your choice. This is how the storage setup looks like. You have the options of Google Drive, OneDrive, AWS S3 and SharePoint. Now let us try to set up our Google Drive. So as you can see, in just a few clicks, our drive is connected. Now let us say I want to sync my notes and attachments from my accounts in the Google Drive. So for that, let me set up an object account. See, here we have given you the flexibility to select the naming convention for the folder as per your choice and set up the sync preference. Like, let's say you want to set up notes and attachments in Salesforce fields and you're good to go. So for this, we are going to go with the basic naming convention and the sync preferences as notes and attachments. Now here we have two options. One is custom range and the other one is deleted sync files. So custom range, you can set up a start date and an end date, and for that the particular range all your files from this object would be synced. And if you need these files to be deleted after syncing your into the Google Drive, then you can turn this sync delete on, and this would basically delete all those files after they have successfully synced in your Google Drive. Let's say there's a file, it has not synced successfully, so that would not be deleted from your Salesforce org. So when I click on next, this is the summary. When I click on save, then my object is basically set up. Here we can also set up parent-child objects. Now let us try to set up an opportunity object whose parent would be the account object. So let me select an opportunity object from here. I'll click on next. Now let us try to sync some Salesforce fields. So for this I would like to sync the next step field. I'll click on next. This is the same. Now the difference here is you need to move this account ID to the selected parent objects and you're good to go. So basically this would make this account ID the parent object for the opportunity object. We click on next, again we get the summary and we click on save. So now let us try to see whether our files are getting synced. So this is a demo account which we have created, right? Click on demo. So as you can see, I have some files here and I have an opportunity by the name of test1 created here. Okay, so now in the configuration setup, we have a feature known as auto sync. So mostly what happens is you have to sync your files after a particular period again and again. So to remove that redundancy, to remove that hassle from your side, we have given you an option of auto sync. This allows you to set up a frequency by these four options, that is every day, weekly, monthly and end days, and after that particular time all your files would be synced. And let's say you need to sync some files instantly as of this time, so we have also given you a feature called run now. So as you click on run now, all your files which are in the Salesforce as of this time, they would be start syncing. So let's click on run now. Okay, so now let us go on my drive. Okay, so here as you can see, the root folder has been created. Inside this root folder, we have two objects, that is the account and the opportunity, as I told you. When I open the account object, this is the demo account which we had created. See, these are the two images which they were earlier in the notes and attachments, and we also have an opportunities folder here that contains the test1 opportunity, which has this URL. So basically, that was the URL which was the Salesforce fields which we synced earlier. Okay, so see, this is the component of 360 file sync here. Now, the beauty of this component is this is the completely mirror component of your Google Drive. You can also switch between the folders if you need to, and you need to access your drive from somewhere else. You can also do that. But the main part is this does not takes up any space in your Salesforce org. And other than that, you can also view your files, you can also navigate between them, you can also let's say, see, so this is the file which we wanted to view. So this is in the Google Drive, and if I click on preview here, I can also see the files here. Also, we can upload some files from my Salesforce in the Google Drive. And as I see, so I have uploaded a file in backup test1. The file name is screenshot. When I go in backup test1, I just reload it. See, it's here as well. And this can also happen vice versa. So this is our feature, that is two-way sync. And this was the demo of our app. It's a very useful app. Hope you liked it. Thank you.